So, what am I going to get out of this tank? Liquid, right? Depending on this tank and the excess flow in the tank, I may be able to get that valve all the way open. I may not. Every tank, every connection is going to be different. So you're going to open it up. You're going to keep going until you get all you can get. And when it slams, then you're going to have to back up, start over, and just don't go to that point again. All right, here we go.
Hey, you got the drone.
Did I not say here it goes?
There's a flame right there.
I didn't know how high it was going to go.
Now you know. You can't make that up.
I didn't have it opened all the way up.
You can't even make that up. That's why you don't let IT people.
I got that.
That's pretty good.
I got that one for you.
Did you? Okay.
You're going to show that story in your classes.
Pardon me? 60. Okay.
So Ron, tell us what just happened.
Well, apparently they were flying the drone directly over the top of a 1-inch liquid burn. As I opened it up, we have a deceased bird at this point. All right, here we go. There's our liquid. If you had the ability to run full 1-inch flows, which that's the kind of heat you're going to expect. If it's setting on grass, if it's setting on asphalt, you're going to heat things up. Okay? Was down in South Carolina and was in a really small area, and I was concerned about how much heat I was going to make. Ended up it poured down rain the whole time. We had a vapor cloud all across the area where we were just heating up and causing fog. Look at that pipe. See how froze that pipe is? It's because that liquid going out through there froze